Hello, Lovebite here, and today is another unboxing stream. Today we will unboxing a screen recorder and Mortal Kombat 2 for the Super Nintendo. I'm going to use this lame useless knife I got from a Play-Doh set. Yes. This one to be precise. A quarter and a flute. Now let's do this thing. There we are. Let's open it up. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's say have it. Lost up. Alright, so I'm gonna put all this away. And wondering why I am doing a screen recorder. Well, the reason why is because as of right now, I'm gonna make video game reviews and movie reviews and app reviews, and eventually, it's gonna take maybe a little while, and my friend will review things too. So that's awesome. I'm going to review retro video games, apps, and movies. And I hope you're looking forward to them. And don't worry, I'm still going to do videos in my regular fashion. So, yeah. Well, let's unbox the next thing. And just so you know, I'm going to review retro games, and my friend's going to review modern games. Well, here we have our Mortal Kombat 2. I'm going to use the quarter to try to find... Aha! Use this as the base to rip away at the package. If you hear background noise, sorry. And out comes the cartridge. Right, I can't. Well, here's all my stuff. Our haul. Let me check if I missed anything. Nope. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing stream. Subscribe for awesome and silly videos and soon reviews. Now, bye out.